Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install new apps on your Philips Smart TV. So what you need to do is grab your television remote control and you're just going to press the home button located in the middle here, and this will bring up the Philips home screen. So on older models of Philips TVs, then your home screen is going to look something similar to mine. If you have a newer model of television, then your home screen may look slightly different. So if you have a home screen like mine on the screen here, what we're going to do is use the up arrow key to come over to apps, and then we just scroll down and come all the way over to app gallery. Now this is for people that are using the older model of television like myself. If you have a newer version of TV, then you might have access to the Google Play Store, and this is going to be much better to download apps from, as it gives you a much wider variety of apps. However, if you are stuck with this older model of television, then we're just going to come inside of the app gallery here. And as you can see on the home screen, here are some app suggestions of all the different types of apps that we can install to our TV. If there was a particular application that you wanted to install, then we can just head all the way up to the top and come over to this search arrow, and you can just search for the app inside of here. So for example, let me just type in the word cook and then come over to the enter button and press this. And you can see I have 3 different applications available relating to cooking. Now, like I said, on this app gallery and this older model of Philips television, there is a very limited number of applications that are available to us. But if you do see an application inside of here that you like the look of, then just go ahead and select OK on your TV remote, and we simply can press add at the top here. And that's going to go ahead and add this application to our Philips home screen. So now if I come back over to the home button on my TV remote, scroll all the way across on apps, you can see now right at the end here, we have this cooking application that I've just added. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you download new apps on your Philips Smart TV. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.